Hi friends, my name is Akash and welcome back to Python programming. This video is about the for loop. But first, let us recapitulate about the iteration or the looping statements. The iteration or repetition statements allow a set of instructions to be performed until a certain condition is fulfilled. The iteration statements are also called loops or looping statements. Python provides two kinds of loops, the for loop and the while loop, to represent two categories of loop, which are counting loops and conditional loops. Basically, the counting loops are the loops that repeat a certain number of times, example Python's for loop. And the conditional loops are the loops that repeat until a certain condition is true, for example Python's while loop. So let us see the for loop now. Basically, the for loop is designed to process the items of any sequence, such as a list or a string, one by one. Here in the diagram, you can see the syntax of the for loop. So first we write for, then the variable, then in operator, followed by the sequence. Then comes the colon, and then in the next line after indentation, we write the statements that we want to repeat inside the for loop. So this is the syntax of the for loop. For example, consider this for loop. Here in this for loop we have a as the loop variable, the list which is comprising of the elements 147 as the sequence, and these two statements print a and print a star a. These two are the comprising statements of the body of the loop. How does the for loop work? The for loop variable is assigned the first value in the sequence. Then all the statements in the body of the loop are executed with the assigned value of the loop variable. After this step is over, the loop variable is assigned the next value in the sequence and the loop body is executed again with the new value of the loop variable. And this continues until all the values in the sequence are processed. So for the first time, the value 1 goes into the loop variable a, and these two set of statements, that is the body of the loop, will get executed according to the value in the variable a. So what would be the value coming in the output? First the value 1 goes into a, after that print a will get executed, therefore the output would be 1 this time. Then again another print statement will execute, which is a star a, means 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Then the next time the loop will start executing, and this time a value of 4 will be assigned to the variable a. Then again print a will execute, and this time a will have a value of 4, so 4 will be printed. Then a star a will be printed, which means 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Then the for loop executes for the final time when the value 7 is being assigned to the variable a. Then print a means that a value of 7 will be printed, which would be followed by 7 into 7 is equal to 49 to be printed in the next line. So this would be the output of this for loop. We will run the for loop in Python and see the output for ourselves. One four seven print a star a. So this is my program. I'll save it and run. So 1 1 4 16 7 49. So our output is coming as per how we calculated it. It is working fine now. So let us take another example for ch in calm. Print ch. What would be the output of this one? First, the first character of the string calm would go into variable ch and the value would be printed as per the body of the loop. So that means c would be printed. Again, for the second time when the loop gets executed, the value a goes into the variable ch and it gets printed. Similarly L followed by M. So this should be the output. Let us run this program and see for ourselves. I have saved it and I am running it. CALM. So this is the output that we checked here also. So let us take one final example here in which we'll be using the range function this time. We already know that the range function generates a list of values from the lower limit to 1 minus the upper limit if the default step value is not changed. So the range function will generate values 3, 4, 5 and 6 according to this range function that we have used in this for loop, and each time a value would be assigned to the loop variable val. So our output should be, first time it would be 3, then 4, 5, 6, and the last value is not included, therefore the output would remain until 6 and will not include the value 7. So let us run this in Python and see. I'll run it and see for the result. 3, 4, 5 and 6 are the values. 3, 4, 5 and 6 are the values that we found after calculating the output. So it is working fine now. I hope that you were able to learn about the for loop that is offered by Python from this video. If you like the content, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do give a like to this video too. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.